Hi, I'm Victoria Theodore, and I played Superstition on stage with Stevie Wonder more times than I can count. Let's break it down.
Superstition ain't the way.
This song was an example of an artist really taking control of his own art. Everyone knew how talented he was, but this song, when it came out, he produced it, he played the drums, he played all the keyboard parts, he sang, and he really showed the clavinet as an important instrument in popular music. You should learn this song because it's part of the canon of American popular music. It is powerful in its lyrical statement, powerful in its musical statement, and it's just fun and funky and everybody loves it, so learn it.
When you believe in things you don't understand, and you stop Superstition.
This song has a really interesting structure because it doesn't follow the standard of verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus. It's verse, kind of a pre-chorus, chorus, and then a chant at the end. Superstition ain't the way.
Superstition ain't the way.
So it's very unusual. All right, so the song starts with this one little riff that happens over and over again. There is a counter melody that is actually played live with a guitar. That syncopation is what gives the music its drive and its excitement. Then we move into this pre-chorus chorus section, and there's a lot of flamming and grace notes that are happening. This part is really unusual because it uses completely unconventional chords for pop music, starting with the B flat dominant 9, then it goes to the B dominant 9 flat 5, back to the B flat, then to A dominant flat 5, then to A flat sus, and to B flat altered. Obviously, Stevie could have written it with just very straightforward chords. You believe in things that you don't understand and you suffer. His chords are always so rich and offer so much. It's like a window into a world every time that he changes chords, especially when he uses the chromatic movement to go between things. I don't think the song would have been nearly as impactful without them. If you want sheet music for this song, it's available for free on Pianote. Not only that, but wouldn't it be exciting to play the song along with Stevie Wonder's voice? They have that too. Sign up for the 7-day trial.
Very superstitious, writings on the wall. Very superstitious. leave me